Do you know that because of its diverse culture, equatorial regions with dense rainforest, beautiful landscapes, geographical features, diverse flora, volcanoes, beaches, waterfalls, and so on, Cameroon is a viable and very interesting destination to so many tourists in the world? I'm sure you didn't know about that. Don't worry, you will discover that in a jiffy. What's up guys? My name is Echu Frank. You can call me the Rasby. You're welcome back to this channel. Amazing videos where I produce wonderful content to educate people just like the one I am about to present. So like I said, in this video, I am going to present to you top tourist destinations in my country, Cameroon. So many people are ignorant about this, and I'm sure even some Cameroonians watching me now, they've never been to any of these places or to most of these places, but they are in your country and I'm sure you didn't know about them. Okay, before we start, I'm sure some of you haven't subscribed yet to this channel. Please guys, subscription is free of charge. The only thing you need to do is to hit the subscribe button, the red button you're seeing there, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my amazing videos like this one. Now let's dive into the video. Number 1, Mount Cameroon, also known as Mount Fako, or by its indigenous name as Mongoma Ndemi. That is from the Bakweri language, which means Mountain of Greatness. This mountain, located in the southwest region of Cameroon, next to the city of Boya, is the highest peak in Central West Africa with a height of 4,040 meters and extends 23 kilometers from the Gulf of Guinea inland. It is one of the highest and most active volcanoes in Africa, with its last eruption dating back February 2012. Mount Cameroon attracts many tourists all over the world every year, especially in the month of February with its Mount Cameroon Race of Hope. Number 2, Kribi. Kribi is a small resort city and port found in the south region of Cameroon and attracts so many tourists every year because of its amazing Lobe waterfalls, or what we call in French Les Chutes de la Lobe. The Lobe waterfalls are one of the largest in the equatorial sub-region and flow directly into the Atlantic Ocean. Another great attraction in Kribi is the Kribi Beach, or Plage de Grand Batanga as it is known in French. The Kribi Beach is a major attraction for ecotourism and nature photographers. Number 3, Limbe. Also known as Victoria, is a city found in the southwest region of Cameroon which has so many attractions such as the Limbe Botanical Garden, which has different species of plants, the Limbe Wildlife Center with different animals that you can visit, Limbe Down Beach, which is a chocolate sandy beach because of the volcanic soils in that region, which obviously makes it very unique from many other beaches in the world. Visit this place and you'll enjoy the delicious seafood, the roasted fish that comes from this place. Wow, it's awesome. Number 4, Yaoundé and the Reunification Monument. Yaoundé is the capital city of Cameroon with history and political references. In this beautiful city, you can visit the Menfou National Park, the National Museum, which reflects upon the history and culture of the country, the Vokbeti Zoo, and above all, the Reunification Monument found in the heart of the city, which signifies reunification between the former British Southern Cameroon and French Cameroon. Number 5, Ouaza National Park. Located in the far north region of Cameroon, this national park was founded in 1934 as a hunting reserve. It covers a total surface area of 1,700 square kilometers and contains over 30 species of mammals and 379 species of birds. It is worth noting that Ouaza Park achieved national park status in 1968 and became a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve in 1979. Number 6, Douala, which is the economic capital of Cameroon, is a seaport city with vital geographical and commercial interest. It harbors one of the biggest malls in Central Africa, that is the Douala Grand Mall. Number 7, the Bafut Palace. Located in Mezam Division in the Northwest region, this beautiful edifice is an amazing work of art which attracts many tourists every year. It embodies Bafut culture and remains a center for religious rites and traditional ceremonies. Number 8, Sapga Hills. Traveling through Sapga in the Northwest region of Cameroon will let you enjoy beautiful green hills and hidden spots like Stone House. This is home for the Mboro Muslims in Cameroon who feed their cattle on this green vegetation. Number 9, the Dja Fauna Reserve or Dja Biodiversity Reserve. Located in the Dja and Lobot division of the South region of Cameroon, this was also declared a UNESCO heritage in the year 1987. It covers a surface area of 5,260 square kilometers and has over 1,500 vegetable species, 107 mammals, and 320 birds found in and around the reserve. The Dja Fauna Reserve is an ideal destination for ecotourism lovers who are going to experience living with pygmies. Pygmies are the first inhabitants of the equatorial forest, and you are going to practice activities such as fishing, hunting, making traditional medicine with them, and just don't miss this one. They are going to dance for you all night. And number 10, the Fumban Palace and its museum. This is one place that you should visit whenever you find yourself in Cameroon. Located in the city of Fumban in the west region of Cameroon, the Fumban Palace is the kingdom of the Sultan of Bamoun. It has a fascinating museum providing a historical insight into the region and the Bamoun dynasty. The museum, which is often known to many as the best museum in Cameroon, presents diverse objects such as handmade furniture, pictures, paintings, statues, masks, royal clothes, and so many other objects. You must visit this place whenever you are in Cameroon. These are my top 10 tourist destinations in Cameroon. I recommend you all, if you've never been to any of these places, please try and go there. Life is too short. Make use of your spare time. Make use of your holiday. Visit any of these places and I bet you won't regret it because you'll be highly welcome. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I welcome your likes, your comments, share this video, and do not forget to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. I will see you in my next video. Thank you, guys. Goodbye.